Friends, in this video tutorial I will show you what's new effect I added in the new update 1.3. It's called Skew Effect. As you can see on my preview animation, it's very cool effect to create some creative animation, and you can animate one letters, two letters, or all font you want. Um, let's see how it works. Go to the plugin. From the drop down menu, select Skew Effect. We have four options. Duration in frames, how many frames you want to see animation, skew angle, plus and minus, and shifting and direction, right and left. Okay, let's see how it works. Let's start with one letter. And for example, I want to use by default 24 frames, skew angle minus 40, and shifting is 0, and right direction. Click intro. Cool. Let's see. This letter don't have any shifting. What's about shifting? Shifting is your width of this image in percent. For example, if you have 2000 pixels and you select 20%, it will be shifting in 500 pixels. Okay, you can animate one letter, two letters, or full text. Let's animate two letters with shifting 20%, skew angle, for example, 30, and duration is 30 frames, for example, and change direction from right to left and click intro. Let's see. We have a motion from left to right side, and all the same you can create auto animation. I think this skew effect very easy to understand how it works. Just play with this option and create really creative text animation for your designs. Okay, thanks for watching and enjoy. Bye.